Hi, so we're here at the CALA conference, and I'm here with Kevin Larson from Gowings, and I just wanted to ask you, what's your involvement with CALA?
With CALA, I've been on as a member for 3 years now, and I'm now the head of the IT subsection.
Okay, tell us a little bit more about the subsection.
We meet 4 times a year to discuss IT-related issues. So a lot of our members are IT people, but also HR general managers, things like that. So we talk about obstacles and trends and things that affect them, and what we can do to make things easier, and projects that we all have in common, things like that.
Excellent. So what are some of the things that they're saying? Like, what's kind of the feedback? What's the industry looking for? What are some of the needs?
I think probably the biggest thing that people are thinking about right now is cloud storage, and where to go with that, and whether it's worthwhile, whether it's safe, whether it's something that law firms should be going towards. Traditionally, law is very slow to react to things like that. We tend to like to put our hands on our data and make sure it never leaves our walls and things like that. So that's certainly where a lot of people are. Mobility is a big issue right now because lawyers don't work in the office alone anymore. They tend to be all over the world and all over the city, and they like to work at all different hours of the day without coming into the office. So,
how do you strike the balance then, being in IT yourself? How do you strike the balance between some of the millennials, we'll call them, as they come into the law firms? They're more the tech savvy. They really want to use technology versus the older partners that kind of like that traditional way of doing things. How do you manage that?
I think that's actually, at least in my experience, that's becoming a bit of a fallacy that it's the young people that are interested in change. It's everyone now. I mean, people see the other partners, other lawyers out in the world with technologies that allow them to work in a boardroom away from their office. They see it and they want it. They come back to the office and they may not know how it works, but they saw somebody use it and they want it. So, the change is being driven at all levels of law at this point. And I think it's important for us as an IT department to react to that, to make sure that we're being safe and secure and we protect them from the things they may not understand. But on the other hand, we have to be forward thinking and maybe get there as soon as we can to make sure they have the tools they need.
And just one final question: what value or what are you seeing as a benefit for sponsors like ourselves, like YellowWood Networks, that come in and meet with CALA? What are the benefits you're finding?
I think there's very few places you'll find that you can have this many people that make this many decisions all in one room and have access to them. And it's sales and service is all about relationships. It's about getting to know people, and maybe you don't make a sale on the first day, but you will also get to know those people, and when they do need something, you want to be somebody they think of when they need that thing. And so, it's the people that do well are people that make sure that they know and they service their clients and they hear and listen. They honestly know their business and know what they want. So once you do that, you're ahead of the game.
Well, enjoy the rest of the conference. It's a pleasure.
Thank you very much.